Morning everybody. So today we're working on our cargo trailer again. Today is our shower build. So let's get started. All right, today we're starting on the front part of our cargo trailer remodel. On our last build, we had the shower in the back half of the cargo trailer. And it really wasn't a great use of the space. So what we've decided, we're going to move it up front, but we're also changing, instead of our 36 by 36 regular shower base, we found this at IKEA. It's a 24 by 17 inch sink, stainless steel. So our plan is I'm going to put it into the floor, and I'm building out a little bit extra space here so we can put our Reliant shower on top of this area here. And you will still be able to take a shower. It'll be a little tight, but I really think it's going to be manageable, and it's going to free up a lot of space for us. All right, so the plan is with a stainless steel sink, it's going to go in here. Once we cut out the hole for the drain, it'll fit flush on the floor. I'm going to have walls on both sides here. I'm going to have this on the back side. Above the sink, I'm going to tile all the way around on 3 sides. Up to this point. And then above that, I'm going to have 10 going up above it. Here, this is all going to get tiled, all this on the front. I'm going to tile about 4 inches above this, and then I'm going to drop some of the 10 down to this point. We're not taking hot showers constantly in here. So based on our experience the last time when we had the 10 up, we didn't have any water penetration behind the wall. So I'm going to do it in a very similar way. I'm not going to put up any type of rubber seals, anything like that. I really don't think that's necessary in a cargo trailer based on our experience with it. All right, just want to kind of give you an update where we are right now. This is pretty much where the shower is going to be. It is going to be kind of tight once we get it all done. But the idea is you're going to stand in here, you're going to have access to the water here, and it's cargo trailer, so it's going to be tight anyway. This is where we're going to have some hanging clothes. We do have a little air conditioner. We didn't have one the last time we went out, but we're going to have one this time. That's going to store right there. We'll be able to pull it out as we need it. We're going to have our ideal going forward is we're going to have a little bit more access to electricity, especially during the summer months. In the winter, it's not nearly as much of an issue. And one other thing, just wanted to point out, we're reusing a lot of the wood and tin, pretty much everything that we took out. We're reusing it to try to get as much of this done as possible. Right now, other than the sink and a couple other small things, I think we spent less than $100 to get to where we hope is going to be the end of what we need to buy to get this done by using the extra wood that we had from pulling it out from the previous design. All right, so I just kind of want to give you an update now where we are with the rebuild. We finished more or less, again, well, I shouldn't say finished. We still have quite a bit more to do, but the basics are done. For this closet, the air conditioner is going to slide underneath. We're going to have a closet here for some hanging clothes. This will be for some towels, bath essentials. On the shower, I've determined that I'm a little bit too fat to have it the size that it was. So I have a 17 by 24 inch stainless steel sink. That's the base. What I'm going to do is I've cut this wall here. I built a second wall here. So this is more or less a false wall. And I'm going to put a level little shelf here. So as I'm in here, there's a little bit more space for me to actually wash, that kind of thing. And then we're still going to have 10 all the way around here. We're still going to have some tiles down around this area. And I'll face this out. I may put some type of little thing in storage here. I don't know. There may not be enough space. But then over here, I have a small little shelf for hanging some clothes. Or a little closet, I should say. And then there's going to be a shelf down here, and I'm going to put a couple of shelves there so we can put some extra pairs of shoes. You can see I'm barely sweating, so that means I just started. We're pretty much done with this closet over here. The air conditioner is going on the bottom. This is where we're going to put a rod up here to hang some clothes. And this section here, we reused some of the cedar that we had from our last build. All right, so on our closet design, we were planning to put a rod from across here this way, but then I hadn't thought about it. I didn't have a good place to attach the rod holder. So what I did was I got a 2x4, I cut an angle into it, so that way it's going to fit up here snug, and then I can screw in from both sides, and then that way I can have my closet rod hanging right there. We got our basic shower in here now. You can see the tin on the bottom. I put in some tile yesterday. I'm testing to see if it's going to actually work this way, because then you can see we're going to have to put tin all the way around here. With our portable AC unit, we had to figure out a venting solution. I didn't want to cut into the side of the trailer, so I placed the exhaust connection on the floor, drew an outline around it, and used the jigsaw to cut a hole in the floor. Then I used the plastic sleeve that came with the unit for use in a window and modified it to attach to the floor. It's working great so far. All right, so we've reached the stopping point for today. I'd say we're probably 95% done. We have a few little things to tweak it, get a few things cleaned up, get a few little paint touch-ups, stuff like that. But I wanted to show you where we are now. We still have a little work to do on our shower, but we think it's going to work out great with our Reliance portable shower. Our Thetford cassette toilet fits perfectly into the shower sink base, but can easily be removed as necessary. Our closets on either side of the shower will hold several days worth of clothes for us with room to spare. Our portable AC fits snugly into the closet for easy storage. We even have a storage space for a small table. Cupcake's curtains match the other decor, so she's very happy. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We had some rough weather recently that downed several trees at the creek, so stay tuned for our next video where we use and review our Craftsman S205 20-inch 2-cycle chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.